pandesals on each side. So many pandesals on each side.
Oh, jeez, they're so big.
There's a mini pandesal there. 2 of them right there.
Pan de leche.
With sugar coating on it. Where's the pandesal? Mini pandesal.
Your eyebrow.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Just wondering, where am I? This is different.
I know, where are you, Layla?
I haven't been here before. Just right there.
Yeah, no, I'll change her.